Let me ask you, do you know anyone who uses medication requiring refrigeration? If so, you'll want to know more about ICEBUDDY Systems Inc., a company dedicated to saving lives with new technology that preserves medications and biologicals requiring refrigeration. Our flagship product is called the ICEBUDDY System, and it contains a groundbreaking iceless cooler. The world is becoming a more complicated place, and life as we know it is changing. Today, there are three pressing healthcare issues. 1. There are over 100 medications requiring refrigeration. People need not only a reliable way to keep them cold, but also have their medication with them at all times, especially during disasters. 2. Fighting the pandemic requires vaccines be transported globally, but most challenging is getting them the final mile to remote locations. Lastly, as we continue to live longer, there is an increasing need to transport organs globally to extend life. To solve these problems, we invented the ICEBUDDY System, a product with two components having unique spelling for easy brand identification. The cooler's patented technology keeps medications, biologicals, and food at the required 36 to 46 degrees for 3 days. It can also be transported by drone, expanding its accessibility. The expandable Q-Pack can transport the cooler and provides access to water and supplies. Let's look at one of our target markets, diabetics. Currently, 463 million adults have diabetes. That number is expected to grow to 578 million in the next 9 years and to 700 million by 2045. The average cost of insulin is $1,500 per month. This consumer group has been looking for a reliable, cost-effective means to protect that investment, a necessity when electricity is not available due to power outages, the need to evacuate, or travel long distance. The University of Texas at San Antonio did our market study and determined that the ICEBUDDY System is applicable in over 30 markets. Here are a few critical healthcare markets. Our patented innovation will be raising the bar in a cooler market valued at $791 million and a backpack market valued at $18 billion. We're positioned to aggressively compete in the global marketplace by having signed a non-compete agreement with Igloo, who manufactures our cooler. By our cooler being both kosher and halal certified, which is critical when playing on the international field. Having a patented gel that keeps contents cold for 3 days without electricity, lithium batteries, ice, gel packs, or solar. And having established manufacturing connections in China, Israel, and Argentina to expedite global sales. We also signed a non-compete agreement with Capewell Aerial, the manufacturer of our Q-Pack. The Q-Pack's design uniquely accommodates the needs of our aging population and the physically challenged by fitting on wheelchairs and walkers. It meets military specifications and is capable of carrying liquids, bottles, or bags of ice, whereas other products on the market can only carry 1 or 2 of these items, not all 3. So, who comprises the leadership of ICEBUDDY Systems Inc.? As CEO, my degrees in policy planning and administration are from Tufts and Clark-Atlanta University. Lorraine Jones's degrees are in engineering and physics from Vanderbilt and Fisk University. Regina Weichert's degrees in fundraising and philanthropy are from Harvard and New York University. Anthony Eileen, a decorated career naval officer with 25 years experience in logistics and intelligence. So why is now the right time to consider investing in ICEBUDDY Systems Inc.? First, our product addresses the current pressing needs of pharmaceutical companies, the continuing need for cutting-edge medical equipment, and the need to reduce insurance costs related to preventable illness and deaths caused by not having access to life-saving medication. Secondly, we have all witnessed the global increase in man-made and natural disasters that require a healthcare response. Thirdly, survival is dependent more than ever on accessibility to non-contaminated medications, biologicals, water, and food. The ICEBUDDY system delivers on all 3 counts. It's an honor to be here accepting the Visionaries Award. It's a testament that the ICEBUDDY system's groundbreaking patented technology and thoughtful design stands to improve healthcare globally. IceBuddy is the right product at the right time. I want to thank you for your consideration.